Staff and students at the University of the West Indies, Mona, have been distributing missing person flyers and raising funds to offer a cash reward for any information leading to Jasmine's return.
We hope that some mercy could reach the hearts of those who have her in their captive, if that is the case, to release her. The entire Jamaica is praying for her safe return.
Persons with information can call Police 119 or the Mona Police at 876-927-2298. Jasmine was last seen around 9 p.m. Thursday, February 27, wearing a white blouse and blue jeans. Jasmine is from Bull Bay, St. Thomas, and is believed to have been on her way home when she disappeared. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
A raging dump fire in the Cayman Islands led to a partial economic shutdown of that country on Monday. That situation with our neighbors has again raised questions about how local authorities are securing dumps to prevent fires going forward.
Toxic fumes from a massive fire at the Georgetown landfill in the Cayman Islands blankets a large area of the small country. The fire started on Saturday, but up to Monday morning, smoke forced several entities, including schools and government offices, to close their doors. It's a situation communities close to dump sites in Jamaica know only too well. TVJ News' 9-day wonder feature on Friday raised questions about fire prevention and security measures at dumps. On Monday, Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Audley Gordon, responded, insisting that major dump fires are a thing of the past as security measures have been implemented.
Some are overt, some are covert. As is the practice around the world, you don't give away too much details as it relates to your security measures.
While holding some details close to his chest, Mr. Gordon explained that the sites are now better prepared to deal with fires.
We now have on all our disposal sites stockpile of dirt and marl, or in short, cover material that help us in the instances of fires where we can respond in real